If you're considering using Mailchimp for your landing page and email marketing needs, there are a few things you should know before making the purchase. While Mailchimp is one of the most well-known platforms, it's essential to understand how it stacks up against the competition. Let's dive into 12 important factors you should keep in mind before committing to Mailchimp. First thing, Mailchimp offers a free plan, which is great if you're just starting out. But as your business grows, you'll likely need to upgrade to one of their paid plans, which can get pricey compared to some competitors like ConvertKit or GetResponse. It's crucial to evaluate whether the pricing structure fits your budget, especially if you're scaling up. Next thing, Mailchimp has a variety of templates, but customization options are somewhat limited. While you can create landing pages easily, some advanced customizations are only available on higher tier plans. For users looking for extensive design freedom, platforms like Unbounce or Leadpages might be better suited. The third thing to note is Mailchimp's automations. It offers solid automation features, including welcome emails and follow-ups. However, it doesn't have the same level of complexity or flexibility as ActiveCampaign, which might be worth considering if you need more advanced workflows. The fourth thing is its reporting and analytics. While Mailchimp offers basic reporting tools, its analytics aren't as detailed as other competitors like GetResponse or HubSpot. If data-driven decision-making is important to you, you may find Mailchimp a bit lacking in this department. Next up, Mailchimp's customer support. While they do provide email and chat support, the response times can be slower than competitors like ConvertKit, which is known for offering excellent customer service. If you anticipate needing support, be prepared to wait a bit longer with Mailchimp. The sixth thing, Mailchimp's landing page builder is user-friendly but somewhat basic. It does the job for simple pages, but if you want more advanced features like A/B testing, you'll need to opt for a higher tier plan or look into competitors like Unbounce, which specializes in landing pages. Next thing, integration is a strong point for Mailchimp. It integrates with many third-party apps and tools, including Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce. While this is great, keep in mind that some competitors might offer more native integrations, especially if you rely on specific tools that Mailchimp doesn't support. The eighth thing, Mailchimp's deliverability rate is generally good, but not the best. Competitors like ActiveCampaign or GetResponse tend to have slightly higher rates, which can be critical if email deliverability is a priority for your business. Next up, segmentation. Mailchimp offers decent segmentation features, allowing you to target specific groups of subscribers. However, if you need more granular segmentation, platforms like ConvertKit might give you better tools to create complex segments. The 10th thing, A/B testing with Mailchimp is limited unless you opt for a higher tier plan. Many competitors like Sendinblue or GetResponse offer this feature even on their basic plans, making it easier to test and optimize your campaigns without additional costs. The 11th thing is Mailchimp's mobile app. While it's convenient, the app isn't as robust as some of its competitors like HubSpot, where the mobile experience is more comprehensive and user-friendly. Finally, Mailchimp's ease of use is a major plus. The platform is simple to navigate, making it a good choice for beginners. However, as your business grows and your needs become more complex, you may find that platforms like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit offer more sophisticated features without being overly complicated. Mailchimp is a solid option for small businesses looking for a user-friendly and affordable email marketing solution. It's not perfect, and if you want a more robust platform with better customer support and advanced features, we recommend trying a competitor. You can even try it for free before deciding. Check out our recommended solution in the description for a better alternative.